Well, good morning, midweek, and we've got some nice weather to start off the day today. Yesterday we had that big warm up and we're keeping that milder air around today. This is our live view right now in Devil's Lake along Highway 2 here at Home of Economy. Not a lot of traffic moving along this morning. Still a little early to start off the day yet, but we need to watch out for some patchy ice areas where we've had some melting and then refreeze happen again here today. And so that's why for our commutes here in the morning and again in the evening, I've got some yellow caution lights for you here just because there are some places where we've seen some frost and some refreeze going on overnight as temperatures have dropped. And in addition to that, more flakes possible heading into this evening at late tonight as well. We may see some of those most likely in the north and east, and we'll be talking about that here in just a moment. But conditions right now, again, looking pretty nice as far as temperatures are concerned here in the valley. Just a few areas where we have some flakes making their way through. This latest disturbance making its way basically right down I-94 in Minnesota. Most of us looking pretty quiet now in eastern North Dakota. Just a couple of pockets here, a couple of places where we do have a little bit of light snow. And then again, as we are looking into Minnesota, just a couple of places between Pelican Rapids, back up to Detroit Lakes, basically along Highway 59 here. We're looking at conditions that are going to be a little bit more on the flaky side between Barnesville and Rothsay. And again, this would be more just some flurries, and that's about it here this morning at this point in time. So nice and quiet out there here for today. We've got wind speeds that are going to be on the light side this morning. We've got calm conditions to the east. Wind is turning northerly, so we're not going to quite get as warm as we did yesterday. Keep that in mind, but it's still going to be very mild compared to where we've been. Here's a look at our temperatures. A cooler 9 in Baudette, still above 0 though. And then compare that down to Sisseton, 35 degrees. Everybody is on the milder side than we've been recently, and especially in the morning hours. It's 27 in Fargo, 21 in Grand Forks, so a nice mild start here today. As we make our way through the morning, we'll see again some of these light snow showers move on and kind of clear out through the morning hours in your hour-by-hour planner. We've got those light northerly winds. Generally speaking, more a mostly cloudy day today. We may see some sun peeking through, but overall more clouds. And temperatures will continue to slide a little bit this morning, then they'll hold steady. And by this afternoon, we're looking at some numbers back into some mid to upper 20s in the south and west, maybe even 30 over by Jamestown, and some more teens to some 20s up to the north. So cooler than yesterday, but still running milder. This is 3 o'clock. You can see that area where we've got another disturbance moving through, and this will bring about a chance for some light snow. Greatest chance for maybe a little light accumulation would be in the northeast, but overall we are looking at the potential there for everyone to see a flake or two heading into the late night hours tonight. Once this clears out, we'll see that wind turn northwesterly again. It might get a little brisk overnight and into tomorrow morning. Some gusts into the 20s. That'll be about it here. And a slightly cooler day again for your Thursday. So again, we've got these little weak systems, little weak disturbances making their way through today, perhaps into early tomorrow. It's Thursday night and into the daytime hours on Friday that we've got that chance for some snow and conditions that are going to be on the unsettled side coming up for Friday. So we're going to be adding up those snowfall amounts by the time we end up in Friday night. And we'll talk more about the timing of that in a bit. Weekend's looking good. Teens, 20s, not bad at all here coming for the weekend, especially on Sunday. Just watch out for a little bit of snow.